It's 2025. Everyone wants to make money online, but most people still have no idea where to start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I went from $0 to $10,000 per month and how you can do it too. Let's get started. Most people overcomplicate making money online. They chase crypto, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and 99% fail. But here's the truth. There is one simple skill in 2025 that almost anyone can learn, and it already makes me $10,000 per month. I'll explain what that skill is, how I learned it in just a few months, and how you can start from zero today. By now, you're probably wondering what I'm talking about. Maybe it's about day trading? No. Maybe SMMA? Yes? No. It's something every business in 2025 basically needs to survive. This video is about selling websites. Now, before you start thinking about all the new things you have to learn to be able to make websites, take a deep breath. And let me explain. AI revolutionized the website selling market completely. You can now create websites in minutes that used to take actual web designers days to finish. Okay, so now let's talk about what you need to start this business and the costs. Step number 1, the AI website builder. There are many AI website builders out there. For example, tools like Durable or 10web can build a complete website in minutes. With just a few prompts, you get professional, client-ready sites. What does that actually mean? Imagine you type in a modern website for a dentist in New York. Within seconds, the AI creates a complete website with design, text, and images. 10 years ago, this would have taken a professional designer days or even weeks to finish. And here's the best part. You don't need any coding skills. You don't need to know HTML, CSS, or WordPress at all. The AI does the heavy lifting, and you just make small adjustments so it fits the client's brand. Costs for these tools vary, but most of them are around $20 a month. For the price of a Netflix subscription, you can run a business that pays you thousands back. Number 2, website hosting. Depending on the type of website and which AI builder you choose, you can either host the website directly on the same platform where you created it, or you need to host it through a third-party provider. The cost can vary a lot. Some platforms include hosting in their plan, some charge a small extra fee, and some even offer basic hosting for free. In most cases, though, you will be paying for both the domain and the hosting together. For the sake of this video, let's keep it simple and calculate an average of about $10 a month. Number 3, domain hosting. For anyone not knowing what a domain is, here is a quick explanation. A domain is simply the unique name of a website, like youtube.com or google.com. It's basically the address people type into their browser to reach a site. When you sell a website, you typically also register the domain for your customer so everything is ready to go. Domains are usually very cheap. In most cases, they cost around $3 a month, sometimes even less if you pay yearly. So let's say you build a website for a bakery called Best Bakery NY. You could register bestbakeryny.com and connect it to the site. Now the business has a clean and professional web address that's easy for customers to remember. Number 4, how to get customers. This is by far the hardest part of the business, but it's not impossible if you're willing to put in the work. I got almost all of my first customers through cold calling, which for me is the biggest cheat code in business. The first days were brutal. I called dozens of businesses. Most of them said no, some didn't even pick up, and a few just hung up immediately. But after about a month of daily cold calling, I had finally figured out the right script. I knew exactly what to say, how to say it, and which words made business owners actually listen. From that point on, cold calling became like a money printing machine. Once you have a working script and the confidence to deliver it, it's insane how effective it is. Of course, cold calling isn't the only option. You can also get customers through cold emailing, LinkedIn outreach, or even by networking in local business groups. But from my experience, cold calling is by far the fastest and most effective way to land your first paying clients. The costs for this are very low. If you use your own phone number, it's basically free. And if you don't want to use your personal number, you can get a VoIP service for around $15 a month. Number 5, upsells. Once you've delivered the website, the real money starts with upsells. Depending on what model you choose, either a one-time big charge or a monthly subscription, you can offer clients extra services on top of the website. The simplest ones are professional email accounts and a website maintenance fee. A business owner doesn't just want a nice website. They also want it to run smoothly, stay updated, and look professional when customers send emails. That's why these small add-ons are so powerful. For example, you could charge $20 or $30 a month for maintenance, where you handle updates, security, and small changes. For the client, it's peace of mind. For you, it's recurring income. You can also upsell other services like hosting, SEO basics, or content updates. Don't leave this out of your offer. Upsells turn a one-time project into a long-term business relationship, and they stack up fast. 10 clients paying you a small monthly fee can already mean hundreds of dollars in stable recurring revenue before you even close another deal. Okay, these are the general steps. So if we put it all together, the total cost to start this business is around $45 a month. One client and you're already in profit. That's it. Think about it. For less than what you paid for the controller you smashed last week playing Call of Duty, you could already be building a business worth thousands of dollars every month. Let's recap. You only need 3 things to start this business: an AI website builder, a domain and hosting, and a way to get customers. Once you have those in place, you can start selling websites and grow with upsells and recurring income. Don't let that opportunity slip out of your hands. If I was able to build a $10,000 per month business with this skill starting from nothing, then you can do it too. The opportunity is wide open right now, and AI has made it easier than ever before. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. If you want to know the exact tools I use, drop a comment below. If there's enough demand, I might reveal it. See you in the next one.